Good morning to all. 8th Max, Chapter 5, Geometry. Concurrent and similar shapes. Concurrent figures are exactly same in shapes and size. In other words, shapes are concurrent if one fit exactly over the other. Concurrent figures are exactly the same shape and size. In other words, shapes are concurrent if one fit exactly over the other. So concurrent and similar shapes. Concurrent figures means the exactly same shape and same size. See these examples. So here boxes, this box and this box equal. So this is concurrent. See this butterfly. These two butterflies are same shape and same size. Then another. See this tree and this tree are exactly same and cut one fit another one that exactly same. So this is concurrent figures. Then next similar. Similar figures mathematically have the same shape but different size. Two geometrical figures are said to be similar. Use this symbol, similar symbol, if the measures of one to the corresponding measure of the other are in the constant ratio. In other words, every part of photographic enlargement is similar to the corresponding parts of the original. Similar shapes means that enlarge the same figure. See this. This is bigger one. This is smaller one. This smaller one large in size. See this butterfly, two butterfly. But this is smaller butterfly. This is enlarged figures. This also examples. This is not similar. Concurrent triangles. Consider two given triangle BQR and ABC. They are said to be concurrent. Use these three lines. If their corresponding parts are concurrent, that BQ is equal to AB and QR equal to BC and BR equal to AC, and also angle B is equal to angle A, angle Q is equal to angle B, and angle R is equal to angle C. This is denoted by triangle BQR concurrent to triangle ABC. See this triangle BQR and ABC. BQ sides and AB sides are equal. Then BR and AC equal. Then another sides QR equal to BC. Then angle B equal to angle A. Angle Q equal to angle B. Angle R equal to angle C. So triangle BQR concurrent to triangle ABC. Next, Triple-S test. Side, side and side concurrence. If three sides of a triangle are concurrent to the three sides of another triangles, then the triangles are concurrent. If AB equal to BQ and BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to BR. Triple-S test. Side and sides. If three sides of a triangles are concurrent to three sides of a another triangle also concurrent. See these examples. Triangle ABC, triangle BQR. AB and BQ are equal. AC and BR equal. Next BC and QR equal. This is side test. Triple-S test. Then SAS, side angle, side concurrent. If two sides and included angles, the angle between them of triangle are concurrent to sides another included angles of another triangles. If one triangle having two sides and one angle equal to another triangle having at the same angle and two sides are equals. See this example, ABC, BQR. Here angle A and angle B are equal, then side AB equal to PQ, then another hypotenuse AC is equal to QR. This is SAS test, side angle side concurrency triangles. So side angle side concurrence triangle means a triangle having two sides and one angle equal to another triangle. Then ASA, angle side angle concurrence. If two angles and included side of a triangle are concurrent to angles and the included sides of the another triangles, means a triangle ABC concurrence to triangle BQR. Angle A equal to angle R and angle C is equal to angle B and one sides equal, AC equal to RB. This is angle side angle test. Two angles are equal and the two triangles and one sides are equal. Then fourth one, RHS, right angled hypotenuse side concurrency. If the hypotenuse and leg of one right triangle are concurrent to the hypotenuse and leg of another triangles, then the triangle are concurrent. See here, angle B is equal to angle Q, right angles. Then another side BC is equal to QR. Then CA is equal to RB. Here one right angles are equal, then another this sides and this sides equal, and CA and RB equal. So this is a right hypotenuse side angle. Triangle ABC is concurrent to triangle BQR. This is right angle hypotenuse side concurrency triangle examples. Thank you.